Kneading thousands of pounds of dough, this colossal mixer is the heart of our operation. Cascading deep within the silo, these golden grains begin their journey, soon meeting the vibrant sauces and
Utilizing state-of-the-art technology, the dough is precisely flattened by colossal rollers, ensuring a perfect pan pizza base every time. Selected for peak ripeness, these colossal tomatoes tumble in slow motion, undergoing a high-pressure wash in our futuristic facility.
The raw pizzas entering a massive futuristic tunnel oven, orange heating elements glowing inside.
As the pizza moves through the futuristic oven, the extreme heat causes the mozzarella to bubble aggressively.
Emerging from the intense heat, the pizzas reveal their golden crusts. The bubbling cheese and sizzling pepperoni are captured in stunning macro detail. A fine mist of garlic buttery oil being sprayed onto the crust for that signature shine.
The hot pizza sliding smoothly into the box, the lid closing automatically.
pizzas. Oh, wow. That looks incredible.
Wow, look at that cheese.
It smells incredible.
Can we eat it now?